The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, air conditioning, front, automatic transmission, cruise control, FWD, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, daytime running lights, heads-up display, power heated outside mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.